Welcome back to this 7-day glowing skin challenge. I'm so excited to embark on this journey. Today is day 3 challenge. I will share to you what to do and what not to do for the healthy and glowing skin. I will share with you 4 health habits for 2021 so you can achieve fast, visible results and see your skin glowing in 7 days. Glowing Skin Boost is Skin Use OC set, packed with natural and clinical proven actives. You can click this link below and get this useful set. Along using the product during the 7 days, we recommend you to take the tips on diet, skin routine, and lifestyle. So all these small tips will help you to achieve the natural glowing skin, be more confident on your skin, and have positive thinking in everything you want to do. You take one action step each day in the 7-day glowing skin challenge, and a small step will help you to be more closer to your final goal. By the way, if you are new for this channel, my name is Christy. I'm passionate in building the skincare routine for the younger looking and healthy skin. I'm creator of the useful glowing skin system. This system will help you to build the personalized routine for your unique skin. Remember to subscribe our channel so you can watch the new video every week. We will share with you what is the dermatologist proven skincare routine, what's the inside tips for skincare ingredients, and how to boost your energy for the overall well-being. Now let's get started on day 3 challenge. What to do and what not to do for the healthy glowing skin. Before you start building the skincare routine, there are few healthy habits you have to pick it up. And also there are few you might let it go in order to see the results. You may tell yourself, I'm a creature of habit. It is so difficult to stop and pick up a new habit. That's why I strongly recommend you just focus on your energy on one small step before moving on to the next one. Remember, building the right skincare routine is not a sprint. This is a personal journey, so go at your own pace. You'll find it so fulfilling when the small healthy habits you nurtured go a long way in supporting your skin health over the years to come. Just keep trying and get right back up. So the top habits you should let it go is eliminating junk foods. It's so important to begin your skin glowing journey by ridding your body of harmful toxins that are known to cause skin issues like acne skin, sagging skin, and increased aging of skin cells. Let's talk about sugar. When sugar enters your bloodstream, it will release some harmful oxidizing side products that affect the skin cells, damage the collagen and elastin. So in the end, it will affect your skin's firmness. Number 2 food to avoid is fried foods. One source of free radicals are superheated vegetable oils. These fried foods are more likely to impact your skin with spots, wrinkles, and the blemishes. So the natural alternative to vegetable oils is coconut oil and olive oil. But bear in mind, all these have to be cooked in low to medium heat. Number 3, dairy. Number 3 food to be careful is your dairy. Due to the food and agriculture industry's treatment of cows, you consume up to 60 unnatural hormones with every glass of milk. Among these hormones are testosterone that cause the skin glands produce more oil, which cause the skin acne formation. Plant-based or nut-based milk made from almonds, cashews, coconut, or soy, especially homemade or organic, are very tasty and nutritious ways of replacing milk. Number 2, what to avoid? Stop smoking. If you are smoking and wondering why your skin doesn't glow, possibly it is the cigarettes and not your skincare. Smoking does terrible things to your skin. Smoking reduces vitamin C and reduces collagen, so it will cause sagging skin and wrinkles form easily. Smoking increases oxidative stress, causing the free radicals attached to your skin, leading to skin cell damage. Number 3, smoking shrinks the blood vessels, making skin undernourished, looking dull, and lose the natural glow. Number 3, what to avoid: manage stress. Living in a fast-paced society makes it one prone to the high level of stress. Whether it is getting your children to perform higher, or want to get in the performance appraisal in your career, or you want your skin forever look like 20, will experience a stressful moment once in their lives. Try these helpful self-care tips from the Stress Management Report by the Harvard University's Medical School. Number 1 tip: you are not alone. Try to talk with your mentor, your family, or your friends about what is bothering you. Number 2 tip: relax. Try to have some small relax, like the mindful walk in the lush green garden, or have the half an hour hot bath in your room. Number 3 tip: remind yourself of the value of optimism. Spread positivity to receive the positivity. Number 4, burnt out. Take one step at a time. Everyone goes at their own pace. Last but not least, self-nurture with yoga poses. Scroll down to download 10 easy yoga poses you can do at home or in the office. This gentle chair yoga for beginners is very easy to follow. You can just take the 15 minutes break and follow these steps to release your back pain and also feel more positive, feel more energetic after finishing this exercise. Oh, one more tip I forgot: connect with others. Chill out with your friends or pets. Pets are great companion for the quiet and me time. Now that you have begun an internal cleanse of harmful stuffs, you can build your new routine with a clean and blank canvas. What's next? Here I'd love to share to you what you should do for the glowing skin. First, eat healthy. Remember, in every meal, try to have 1/3 of vegetables, so make sure you have enough vitamins and minerals to fuel your body energy. Number 2, drink plenty of water. It's super easy to follow. This will help you get your skin hydrated very well. Number 3, exercise consistently. It's recommended to exercise every 2 days or at least every 3 days. And each time you can aim for half an hour exercise. After the exercise, remember to have the post-workout drink or food so you can build your muscles to improve your body metabolism. Next is sleeping longer and better. It's recommended to have the 7 to 8 hours sleep. Beauty sleep is good for your beautiful skin. Number 5, switch to a routine that is right to your skin type and skin concern. So here, I recommend you to take your skin ID test to find out what is your skin type. And based on skin type, you can get recommended the routine. And it's more important to apply in the right order. So you click the Glowing Skin System link to build your personalized routine today. Or you can get the Skin Useful Oasis set if your skin is oily skin or dehydrated skin and you have the early signs of aging concern. So this set will help you to see useful and glowing skin. So this Skin Use Oasis set contains a balancing moisturizer gel cream for the oily combination skin. It contains sugar beetroot to strengthen your skin barrier and also balance your skin texture. It contains super hydrating booster. The natural ferment filtrate from French Polynesia can improve your skin hydration within 6 hours. It has another important skin firming booster with the knotgrass extract. This natural extract can help you to improve your skin firmness by 12%. So get this glowing skin booster to help you see your glowing skin in 7 days. Well, I have come to the end of the skincare challenge. If you like today's video, please give thumbs up and subscribe our channel. What do you like to do to relax? Please leave in the comment box below. See you in our next video for the guide on the list of important nutrients and superfoods for healthy and glowing skin. See you in next day challenge. Bye bye.